Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Natasha Benstead and today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. I'd advise you to cleanse, tone and moisturise, let it dry, then put the makeup on. I cleansed with CeraVe foaming cleanser. I toned Garnier Skin Active Aloe Refreshing Toner, and I moisturised with the L'Oreal Triple Active Multi Protection Moisturising Day. Is that clear? Cool, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with a primer. Then I'm going to go in with a concealer and just dab on every blemish. Probably looks way too much right now, but just dab it on where you want and then just leave it, and then we'll go in and buff it in with our sponge. While that's drying, I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I'm just using a brow pencil brush from Primark, and then I'm going to go in with Wonderful Brow from Rimmel London, and it's just a little brush like this, and I'm just going to brush in and then shape. And I just get one of these little cotton buds and just wipe off. There we go. Always brush up because then you get all the individual hairs. The first stage it looks a horrendous mess, but I just clean it up with a cotton bud and just wipe it off. And this is why I do eyebrows first. Right, now we want to blend in. Just take off the excess of what I've left on. I'm going to use my VIEVE Essential Palette and use the kind of buff and just sweep that over the lid and then buff it out just to the crease. Then I will come Eyelash, go right to the root. This part you can either do or leave it out, but I'm going to put some eyeliner on. I'm just using the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Intense Black. The easiest way I do it is have a mirror in front of me like I've got here. Start at the end of your eye and working, concentrating on them, getting to the lash line, and then to get a bit of a wing, I hold my brow, get the line I want, do a kind of triangle shape. At this point I've got my eye open but I'm holding the skin, so I'll go to half of my eye and grab this brush and just straighten out everything, and then to get that really sharp point, got mud. Got mud's my best friend. Instead of carrying the eyeliner straight across, because it will just like make your eye look really heavy, go in on your waterline like this, and then you'll still get the definition in the inner corner, but you won't get the heaviness of the black line. So it just gives that kind of like cat eye. For mascara, I'm using E.L.F. Mood in black, and it's waterproof. So get your mirror underneath, give it up, you're gonna get it all up there. So have it down so you're looking down to it. Just give it little wiggles, get all in the lashes. Top up the bun. That crease, you keep wiping off. Right, we're actually gonna put some foundation on now. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, little blob on the skin, on the hand, that much. Damp sponge, and just dab it all around the face, all your coverage. Once you've got it everywhere you want, just keep dabbing over it, going dab, 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 circular motion to get that kind of flawless look. And just keep going until your face feels dry. Don't forget the ears. With the excess of it, just blend it down to your neck. Then I don't really like using powder. I tend to go for the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. I've used it quite a bit. I used this on the wedding day and it didn't do me dirty, kept my shine at bay. It's really good powder. It doesn't add any other colour either, it's just like translucent. I put it everywhere. I'm gonna get shiny throughout the day, and that's always here, here and here. And then we can contour a little bit. Right there. Gives you that lift. I'm using my MAC brush and buff that in. Now I'm going to go in with my Pickle blusher. I'm going to use the same brush as well. We want that just on top and a tiny bit onto the cheek. And I love this blusher because it's got like little shiny speckles in there. Don't know if you can see. Acts like a slight little highlighter as well. And yeah, I think that's it. A little top up in the centre. Brush anything away. And then a little bit of Vice. It's like a lip stain. No, nothing too crazy. There we go. Now I'm going to set with my setting spray, Maybelline Lasting Fix. Give it a shake. Dry. I got it in my mouth. And then fan your face. Let it set and dry. We're done. Look at that. Covered up blemishes, redness, acne scarring, acne. It doesn't feel heavy on the face. It feels really natural, feels really subtle. It's all in the technique of how you apply it. And I find when I apply it like this, it lasts all day. I got my inspiration watching Jamie Genevieve and Helen Anderson. They make it look easy. I feel like you could even wear this for like wedding makeup. If you're not a makeup person, this is nice and subtle for that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Have a good day or evening wherever you're from, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.